Login failed on Bankin Fix. You're trying to log into your Bankin app, but it keeps saying login failed. Don't worry, this is one of the most common connection problems users face, and the good news is, it's almost always fixable in minutes. Bankin is a powerful budgeting and finance management app that connects directly with your bank using secure open banking technology. When a login fails, it usually means your banking credentials, tokens, or two-factor verification have expired. First, open your actual bank app or website and make sure you can log in normally. If your password doesn't work there, reset it. Once your login credentials are current, return to Bankin and reconnect your bank account. If you can log into your bank just fine, the issue might be with your authentication session. Most European banks require renewed authorization every 90 days for security reasons. Go to your Bankin app settings, select your bank, and tap Update Connection or Reconnect. This will redirect you to your bank secure login page to confirm access again. Also, check your notifications. Many banks send a one-time approval link or code that expires quickly. If you missed it, the login will automatically fail. Make sure you're ready to approve the connection instantly when prompted. If the problem persists, disable any VNAs or ad blockers that might interfere with the secure connection. You can also clear the Bankin app cache or reinstall the app entirely to remove outdated data. Most people assume the app is broken, but the truth is, 90% of these issues come from security refreshes or outdated credentials. Once you reauthorize properly, your Bankin account will update automatically and display your transactions in real time. So don't panic when you see login failed. Just follow these quick steps, refresh your access, and you'll be back on track with your finances in no time.